What's up, guys? Welcome back to the R&D Garage here at Vintage Air. I'm Billy. Today it's my pleasure to introduce you to the Gen 5 Super Magnum Kit for your 68 to 72 Chevelle. We're going to start off here in our engine compartment. First off, you're going to notice our firewall cover plate with your matching hardware. Gives it a nice clean look. Plenty of room for activities here. We're going to run into our reduced barrier hose kit. A lot easier to work with than your standard hose kit. It looks a lot slicker, especially going under the fender well. Let's move on to the inside. All right, guys, and now with your Super Magnum kit, you know you're going to get that big blower. It's going to give you 20% more airflow. We also threw 2.5-inch ductwork throughout the whole system. So you're going to have plenty of cold air blowing all over this car. Also, to make it easier for you, is going to be the revamped instructions. Okay, so it's going to make it real nice and easy for you to install, step by step. For more information on these new Gen 5 Chevelle kits, go to vintageair.com. or call our sales team at 1-800-862-6658. Once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool.